Right, so we're partway through renovating a decking. We've got 18-year-old decking, and I thought it might be worth just sharing what it looks like when it's been in the ground for 18 years. So we've got 3 different ways that the posts are attached to joists, and each have weathered differently. So the first way is, let's have a look at this one here, where it's just post concreted into the ground. Let's get the dog out of the way. So with this one here, you just got some pretty flat concrete. There's a post, it's pretty rotten. Mind the dog. It's pretty rotten, but it's all rotten around the base. So that's where the water sits, and that's rotting away. The only thing that's kept this in place is the fact that the joist has sunk and it's resting on the concrete. Obviously the joist is starting to rot down here, but again, that's been there for 18 years. It's not doing too badly, to be honest, but most of them are pretty shot. Like this one over here, there was a post over here, that's rotten. The other way is, say this one here, slightly different. It kind of, you can see where it's sort of, concrete's been pushed up against the post. It's kind of chamfered it away, so the water will come down and run off. It's not so rotten at the bottom around here, where it's not been chamfered away, where the concrete is more flat. You can see where the water's just stood there, and it's really rotted just there. And the third and final way is where you got these main secondary beams. These are the primary beams. The secondary beams are resting on brick plinths, and these bricks are on concrete. Obviously with this one there's massive air gaps underneath, so it's had really good ventilation, but these have been here for 18 years and there's no rotting whatsoever. There's another one here where the concrete's been chamfered up to the post, and obviously it's lasted pretty well for 18 years. If we go to the other side, where the concrete's not been chamfered, see it's rotten there. Obviously there's no right or wrong way, it just depends how long you want it to last really. But if anything, it's worth just chamfering the concrete up to the post at least. That's not really any extra work. If you want to go the extra mile and put the joists on the brick plinths, then obviously it'll last a lot longer. Like, they've probably got another 10 odd years of life ahead of them before they start to fail, at a guess. I don't know, to be honest. The other thing to bear in mind is, because these are 18 odd years old, they've probably used probably better chemicals to preserve the timber than what's available now, because obviously a lot of the chemicals were banned. Anyway, I thought it was interesting because you don't often get a chance to see posts that have been in for so long.